Jimmy Schenker with the Schenker team, Coldwell Banker, Southern Coast. I'm at 712 Westridge Court. This 3-bedroom, 2-bath home is 1,080 square feet. It features ceramic tile floors in the kitchen and bathrooms with tile surrounds in the bathrooms. The home is carpeted throughout with fresh paint. The home features an oversized laundry, a fenced-in backyard for your entertaining pleasure, and has a newer roof. It's only a few years old. It's centrally located off of Pine Avenue, convenient to all Fort Stewart gates on the front side and the shopping areas. Give us a call today and you'll be thanking checking tomorrow. 912-408-2021. That's 408-2021. Have a great day.